Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Tuesday 18 March 2025. 17 March 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 3, number 28 and number 35. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join now YouTube channel membership. Today UK 49 lunchtime prediction number 5, number 17, 29, 36, 48. Booster number 24. Today UK 49's tea time prediction first number 6, number 18, number 27, number 33, number 45, booster number 9. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.